So in the context of T-cell engager, one of a big challenge nowadays is that the T-cell engager are very potent molecule, but this inducing some T-cell engager more, some T-cell engager less, a strong exhaustion of the T-cells. And of course, the community, the scientific community is trying to look for ways in which we can avoid this exhaustion, right? And the one way to do it is to agonize the co-stimulation pathway. And this can be done either by agonizing some of the co-stimulator molecule, the most known are CD28 and 4-1BB, but there is also a way we also believe that it was actually quite interesting to act on the pathway of CD28. And in the pathway of CD28, Cbl-b plays a key role because it blocks the CD28 pathway. And when you remove and you block Cbl-b, you can actually open up the signaling again. And what is interesting, and something that we really notice with our inhibitor, is that when you block Cbl-b, you can actually get T-cell activation even in absence of CD28. And this is very important in the cancer because sometimes T-cells do not have access to the ligand of CD28, right? Because sometimes there is no dendritic cells or antipogentin cells that express CD8 or CD6 into the tumor. And therefore, by blocking Cbl-b, we can actually provide a CD28-like signal to the T cells, and we demonstrated in vitro by producing exhausted T cell in vitro by repeated stimulation that usually when you activate them through CD3 do not produce any cytokines, they do not proliferate. Upon co-stimulation with Cbl-b inhibitor, we could actually rescue the ability to proliferate, we could rescue the ability to produce interferon gamma as well as IL-2, which is one of the major marker of CD28 signaling. And this is very important both for solid tumor as well as for hematological malignancies. As we well know, T-cell engager, even in hematological malignancy, can induce T-cell exhaustion. And this is one of the causes, not the only one, but is one of the cause of failure of T-cell engager on a long-term treatment in some cases.